Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Venky, your go-to place for simple and fun engineering concepts. Today, let's talk about a very cool and important topic, degrees of freedom, also known as DOF. Sounds technical? Don't worry, I'll make it super easy for you. So, what exactly is degrees of freedom? In simple words, DOF means how many independent ways an object can move. It could move up and down, left and right, forward and backward, or rotate in different directions. Each of these is considered one degree of freedom. Let's take a small example. Imagine a fan mounted on the ceiling. It can only rotate around one axis. That's 1 degree of freedom. Now imagine a drone flying in the air. It can move up, down, forward, backward, and also rotate. That's multiple degrees of freedom. Now let's look at a two-link robotic arm, which is a common example in robotics. It has two joints, one at the base and one like an elbow. Each joint can rotate independently, so the arm has 2 degrees of freedom. With this setup, it can reach any point in a two-dimensional plane. This is how robots are designed to perform tasks like welding, picking, and placing objects. But why is DOF important? It helps engineers and designers understand how flexible or controllable a system is. More degrees of freedom means more freedom to move, but also more complexity to control. So, we always need to find a balance between movement and control when designing machines, robots, or even prosthetic limbs. Now here's a question for you. How many degrees of freedom do you think your hand has? Hint, it's more than you think. Share your guess in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this short and simple explanation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Learn with Venky for more awesome engineering content every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.